mishap. Okay, so this is part 2 of the new series, Cool Guy 56, stuff like that. Yeah, okay, this is the new series of Cool Guy 56 builds almost everything. So, okay, so last video, we built the top hatch up here, top, and the beginning, okay? I was just about to show you a recipe when my phone decided to turn off. So, anyways, okay, here's the recipe. Bam, you get 2 of these equals 1 of these. And the thing that's special, they're slanted. Okay? So now, okay, with the slanted pieces, okay, so this part, the long one, goes there. Then the half pieces go here, like so. Okay? And that's so the ball can, like, sit there. Okay? But not done yet. You need one of these. Because without one of those, oh yeah, and hold on, I'm kind of failing. Okay, you finish putting these there, okay? And then you take this, sorry my fingers are in the way, but you take this and you put it right there on the blue. Blue on blue, okay? Bam. Should look like something like this, okay? And you're wondering what happened to this? I still got it, just put it aside, okay? Put it aside, we don't need it till later. Alright, so you take this and you put it right there. Right there. That should help hold the ball in place. Okay, there. It's holding it in place. Well, it should be. Yeah. But also you take this piece, which equals 2 of these. See? Yeah, takes 2 of these to make one of these. You put it straight and back here, okay? Straight and back. Then wrong piece. And you take 1 second, technical difficulties. Okay. I am not helping myself right now. Okay, sorry about those newbie mistakes. And yeah, like you Lego nerds, don't do that. That was a rookie mistake. Whatever a rookie mistake is. So yeah, you have it like that. Hold on. Actually, you need like this. You need tons of them. You need. Okay, so there. That will equal enough there. So then you take your marble, you put it there, and it should fit. Okay, it should fit there. Now you take these. Okay, so you see these. Now you grab these. Grab a couple of them. Of course, I got tons of them. So, yeah, I'm good. You grab those. Okay, you grab them, and then you put them right there. Okay, you put them right on the sides. Of course, you only put 2 of them. 2 of them on each side. So there. Now, you take these. So it should look something like that. Okay. So now you take these. Hold on. Never mind, you put 3 down, my bad. I'm sort of forgetting on how I did this. Okay, so this should be how, hold on, what? Hold on, I'm the problem here, hold on. So, Okay, never mind. Okay, yes. You can either... Of course, only if you have the pieces, otherwise use these. But if you don't got those, use these and put it like so. So use 3. So use 3 of these on each side, so that is a total of 6 of them. Yes, I do math. Okay, so that's the total of 6 of them. You take 2 of these, so you take 2 of those, you put them on the side there. Okay, so now you get your marble, or whatever you're using. You put it in there, you make sure it fits snugly, okay? Make sure it fits snugly, and it can roll around. Now, okay, now it's getting to the exciting part. You're almost done. You're almost done. Don't get too excited on me, because you're not fully done yet, okay? Bam. So what I just did, okay, let me instant replay. So, okay, so there's that part, and then you put in these. Put in those, okay? Like so. Okay? And then you take these, and see how the ball is going up? Now, you take them, and you put these on here, like so. You keep on doing that until the ball is covered. Until it's good enough so that you can still spin the ball. And also, like, so you can spin it freely. And also, of course, okay, so before you do that, just make sure you get it done there. But you take these little pin things, and yeah, you have the options of getting a little thing. Sadly, I can't get a button. This is a Lego. Unless if I customize it, then or hot glue or super glue a button to it, or yeah, pretty much a button to it. And yeah, you have the option of a lever, spinny majig, or another smaller spinny majig, which I'll show you how to make later. Okay, so you place those in right there. You have to have 2 of them. There's one. That's why there's holes there. And also, it helps keep the ball in there. Now that'll keep the ball in there and won't move a lot. Now you see if it fits. Of course, mine, I'm gonna put on double the amount. So, like that. And then take one more of these, and there. Got it on there. Okay, make sure it's on there tight. Now it's finally the time where you get your little top that you made. And also you can make it matching color. I just didn't have all the matching colors, or else I would have made it blue or something. But I don't got the matching colors, so yeah. You know. Okay, there. And that makes this officially almost done. Okay? And you can lower it, you can do whatever, it's yours. Okay? But it's not done yet unless if you customize it. And of course, I'm going to see how it looks. How it looks with just one. Yeah. Well done. No. Okay. Okay, so now it's your choice. Let me just do something real fast. Rah! Now it's your choice of having a lever or a switch on, having a switch on this, on a side, or having a small little button, a tiny little spinny-majig, or having this spinny-majig, larger spinny-majig. And I have 3 because those are the best options that I figured out that I like. And some days you can actually customize it, unless if you're stupid enough like me, which I'm going to like super glue them on there, so hopefully it won't come off. And yeah, of course I might not, because that might get in the way of the lever action if I was going to use the lever. But okay, how you make the giant spinning majig? You take this plate, which is pretty much the 4x4 plate with, yeah, the 2 thing, yeah, makes this. It's this, but circleized, so it's like this. And then you take a flat one of these, and I have a gold one from a Ninjago set, and yeah, and then you just take it on and you press it on, presto. And then to make the smaller spinning majig, pretty much do the same thing, just with pegs and smaller stuff. I'm choosing the spinning majigs because I kind of like them. And then you just press them on and bam, there you go. Your own fidget stuff. Yeah. Yay. I made it. Okay, if you stick to here, you'll get the chance of me asking you, if you haven't already, of me asking you to subscribe, leave a comment, and like this video. And if you are already subscribed, if you already done those things, and if you already are subscribed, give yourself a thumbs up, mainly by yourself, I mean me, and give yourself a pat on the back. Yeah, and down in the comments below, down in the comments below, what should I build next? Okay, I need episode 2. I'm planning on making some minis, so holy crap. I've been laying on my carpet for like 5 minutes, look at this. It's just because I've been on the carpet. Anyways, guys, so, leave a comment, subscribe, yeah. Tell me, down in the comments below, tell me if, or what you would like me to see, or what you would like to see me build, or make, or do, okay? So, yeah, see ya.